Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super quick yet incredibly useful tip for all you Figma users out there. If you've ever spent time carefully styling your text, choosing the right font, color, weight, spacing, only to realize you want to use that exact look on a different piece of text, this video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly copy and paste text styles in Figma, saving yourself a ton of time and effort and keeping your designs beautifully consistent. Alright, let's jump right in. Imagine you've got two separate pieces of text on your Figma canvas. Maybe one is a perfectly styled header and the other is just plain default text. You want that plain text to match the header's style exactly, but you don't want to spend precious minutes manually adjusting font size, color, and all those other settings. Here, how you do it in just a few clicks. First, let's take a closer look. On your canvas, find the two text layers. You'll notice one already has all the styles you want. Maybe it's bold, colored, or spaced out just the right way, while the other is just sitting there in the default style Figma gives you. Think of the styled text as your template, the look you want to use again. Now, with your selection tool active, click directly on the styled text layer. This is important, the one that has the look you want to copy. Give it a click to select it, and make sure you're not selecting a group or a frame by accident, just the text itself. You should see the blue outline appear, which tells you that text layer is selected. Next comes the real magic. With that styled text still selected, you're going to use a handy little keyboard shortcut that not everyone knows about. On your keyboard, hit Ctrl plus Alt plus C. If you're on a Mac, that's probably Command plus Option plus C. What this does is it copies the text style properties, not the actual text, just everything about the font, color, size, spacing, and more. It's almost like copying an outfit without taking the person. Now it's time to paste that style onto your plain text. Find the text layer you want to update. This is the one with no styling. Click it to select just the way you did before. Take a deep breath, and once you've highlighted it, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V on your keyboard. Again, if you're on Mac, that's Command plus Option plus V. Instantly, you'll see the plain text transform to match the style of the first one, fonts, colors, and all. And that's really all there is to it. You've just saved yourself so much time compared to manually memorizing and applying each property. This trick is perfect for keeping your design cohesive, especially if you're working with lots of different text elements and want everything to look unified. If the style doesn't paste right away, just double-check that you're selecting only the text layer and not a larger group or frame. Sometimes Figma's selection can be sneaky. And don't worry if this process feels weird at first. After a couple of tries, it'll become second nature and you'll be copying styles in seconds. That wraps up our quick tip for today. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tricks, drop a comment down below. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.